Hi friends, in this video let us solve the signals related question asked in 2013 EEE paper. The question is the impulse response of the system is given by t into u of t. Input x of t is given by u of t minus 1. What is the output? So we know the relationship between input output impulse response is y of t is equal to x of t star h of t. They gave h and x, they ask y. So what I am going to do, I take Laplace transform, which will convert convolution into multiplication, right? Then after finding all the things, then I take inverse Laplace, I get y of t. So h of t is u of t, sorry, this is x of t is x of s. Okay, Laplace transform. So x of t is u of t minus 1. So what is x of t? For u of t, Laplace transform is 1 by s. Shifting, so e power minus s. So it is 1 by s, e power minus s. What about this one, h of s? For t into u of t, it is 1 by s squared, Laplace transform. So it is 1 by s squared. So 1 by s cube e power minus s. Now we got y of s. What we have to do? Y of t. We have to take inverse Laplace transform. So if I take inverse Laplace transform, we know for t of n u of t Laplace transform as n factorial divided by 1 by s plus 1. What I have here is 1 by s cube, that is s2 plus 1. So I want 2. If I have 2, then I can get a t2 u of t. So if I want 2 means what I do, I multiply and divide by 2. Right? So what is the thing? This is 1 by 2. If I put multiply and divide by 2, what it will become? 1 by 2 into 2 by s cube. It will be like this. That will be equal to t power n t power 2 u of t. Clear? So then this is for this one. So what I do, I multiply and divide by 2 here. Fine? Okay. So see, sorry. So okay. Right, so this is the answer. So it is 1 by 2, 2 by s cube. So 1 by 2 is constant. For 2 by s cube, what is inverse Laplace? T squared into u of t. I have e power minus s also. E power minus s, e power means in time domain it is shifted. So 1 by 2, it is shifted by 1 unit. So t minus 1 square u of t minus 1. So y of t is equal to 1 by 2 t minus 1 square u of t minus. So where is my answer? It is t minus 1 by 2 square u of t minus 1. That is the answer. Thank you.